Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate X7 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I'll try to explain everything as slow as possible. However, be aware that you can stop the video whenever you're feeling lost, or you can just slow down a video a little bit to be able to follow all of my steps. So first of all, what you have to do is to find the settings, and you have to localize the gear icon. In my case, it is right here, but obviously you can just try to find it somewhere here on those pages. But let's find the gear icon and tap on it. So now in the settings, we have to scroll all the way down in this left section. So just scroll all the way. And here we have to tap on the second option from the bottom, which is System and Updates. So either you can count or simply find the gear icon again and tap on it. Now we have to tap on the third option, which appeared right here. So the third one is right here, and this is language and input, I believe. Now let's tap on the first option, so language and region. And here we've got the list of languages, and there is a slight chance that you will have your language right here listed. Then all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and your device will immediately change the system language. As you can see, it will appear at the top. It is now ticked, and everything will be displayed in the chosen language. However, if you do not have your language right here, no worries. Just tap on this blue option here, which is Add Language. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find yours and tap on it. I'll pick Turkish. Your device will ask you whether you want to change the system language to the new one. So just tap on Change. So on the option on the right, just tap on it. And as you can see, your device will immediately apply the language. So this is how it works. Let me quickly switch to English. And if you would like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on Edit and tap on this X button right next to the language that you'd like to remove. Tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner to confirm. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.